Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where I talk about gear from a dad's perspective. I have two sons, 10 and 7, and they're very active. We're always outdoors, running around on skateboards, on kayaks, on boats, and this camera is a godsend. So it's a 360 action camera that's waterproof, and I can take this camera everywhere with me, put it on a selfie stick, mount it on a kayak, on a bike, whatever, and I'll always get the shot that I want. But today what I really want to show you is the sample videos and audio quality from this camera in various lighting conditions, from blue skies to overcast skies, and even in dark environments. So have a look.
Go! Oh, Isaac won that one.
Go down.
Yeah.
I'll take
So what do you think of the image quality? I think it does really well, particularly in bright light. I think it's the same for any camera with a small sensor, especially having to deal with 360-degree image using a very small sensor. I think it's doing pretty well. It doesn't get too noisy, and it's really sharp, especially when it's bright. So far, I think this is an outstanding little camera, and anybody who's considering getting an action camera or 360 camera should really look into this Insta360 1R. Hey, if you have enjoyed the video, I really appreciate if you like and subscribe, and as I'll be shooting a lot more videos with this camera and bringing you more of my impressions and thoughts on this camera. So thank you for watching, and see you next time. Cheers, bye.